Welcome to another property tour at section U12, Cahaya Alam. This property is located very near to Eco Gardens and section 7 Shalam. The house type is called Akasia and is located within a gated and a guarded community. The land area of this house is 24 by 80 with a build-up of 2,800 square feet. It consists of 4+1 rooms and 5 bathrooms. Come check out this beautiful house. This house has been extensively renovated. At the living area, you will see plaster ceiling and a TV cabinet installed, while at the kitchen, there are also built-in wardrobes. And every room has been installed with its built-in wardrobes. This house is truly in a good condition and can be moved in anytime. Thinking to upgrade to a spacious house? Give me a call and I can't wait to show you this beautiful house.